Colleen.
And I'm Nate.
And we're Navigate with Colleen and Nate.
The first time we did that on the first try.
Not so bad.
Yeah. Well, we're here in the most magical place on Earth.
We're in Disney World.
Disney World.
We're at Magic Kingdom. It's been an early morning. Granted, we've been up since 4 o'clock and we just made a very rainy hike up to Orlando. But we are here safe and sound, and we contemplated, did we still go to Magic Kingdom? But we threw in some rain jackets at the last minute and we're going to do it.
Yeah. And the good news is like there's parking lots upon parking lots, and they're like, I don't even know, not even a quarter full. So I think it's going to be a kind of quiet day, relatively.
So we're going to take some video. We know that there is some Christmas decorations up, so we're going to hopefully get to see a little bit of that and just kind of pretend it's sunny and ignore the rain and make the most of it.
Yep. And we're going to, lots of GoPro video today because it's a little too wet. I don't know. I don't trust that the iPhone, how waterproof the iPhone is. So we'll find it. We're not going to find out today. Yep. So a lot of GoPro video. So stay tuned as we make our way, first time for me at Magic Kingdom. Second
time for me, but it's been quite a few years. So looking forward
5 years?
Yeah.
1 year?
Because I'm only 20.
Hee. All right. We'll see ya. Greetings, navigators.
Oh goodness.
From beautiful, sunny Florida, where it's sunshine. What is it, like 350 days of sunshine?
Oh, just not today.
Not today. 350 days of sunshine. So a very wet day. We're gonna see how long we make it today. Our room is ready. We're staying at Coronado Springs, so that's nice. But right now I need like a bathroom.
Me too.
So I think that's priority number one. We do have a couple reservations today that we set up through the DAS Pass, which Colleen was able to set up. You can do it now through chat, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna get run over here by some people. So anyways, we'll see y'all in a bit. All right, so no joke, been here for literally 30 seconds and already got in trouble. So when you first come in to the park, there is a security area you have to go through. So here's a fun tip. Don't film in the security area or else the guard's gonna come over and yell at you. And I had to delete the film, which I don't use this GoPro very often, so I was trying to figure out how to delete the film, and I think the guy was like looking at me like no, like you're just like, you're not deleting the film. So anyways, when you get in here, so just a couple things, we'll zoom around. All right, so when you get in here, there's a couple places you can go. You can start with the ferry boats, or you can go take the monorail, right? So you have two ways to get to Disney, and it might be really hard on this film to see, but off in the distance is the Magic Kingdom. So it's kind of interesting. So if you do come and it's your first time here, like I said, I had no idea like what was going on. You can literally just choose ferry boat or monorail. Ferry boat or monorail. Greetings from Alaska. Well, I'm going on a, no, just joking. We're here in Magic Kingdom. we're on the ferry, waiting to go to the most magical place on earth. Is this a magical ferry?
It's something. Hopefully it like just drives me instantaneous because everything's stuck to me.
Yeah, so, and then there's you can't see it, but on the other side of this camera, there's a bunch of strollers lined up. So we got to make sure when this gate opens that we're running, or we're going to get run over by all these strollers that are in the area. Hello, fun fact. If you have Florida resident tickets, you get to wait in this line.
Which is guest relations,
Guest
right,
relations.
when you first get in, right before you actually wand your magic band.
Yeah, so Colleen was an unauthorized entry into Walt Disney World, which created another security incident. So we've already had 2 security incidents today. We've been told if we have a third one, that Mickey Mouse is going to throw us in Mickey Mouse jail. And we're
We'll
going to
be out forever.
We'll be out forever. So stay tuned. Will we get kicked out of Walt Disney World? Find out. Oh, look, it's a beautiful Christmas tree. So we're inside. Finally. It's a very secure Walt Disney World. You're not sneaking in here. You got fingerprinted. You got ID'd. How you doing over there?
I'm good. Now we're off to Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. Yeah, we've got reservations like now. So we've got to go find Buzz Lightyear. Here we are. There's a real life size version of Walt Disney. He was only like 3 feet tall. So don't let the books tell you that he was an average height man. He was actually only foot tall, and all the mice in Florida are that big. So that's where Mickey was based off of.
That's it.
She's been talking smack for like 2 months, so she's gonna get a higher score than me. So
I maxed out yesterday. You know all the spots?
What? No, I don't know.
Do you know all the spots?
No, never been here.
Okay, so the big orange robot in the first room,
Yeah.
it's on the left hand.
Okay.
And then in the same room on the ceiling, you have to turn around as a big claw. Both are worth 100,000.
100,000. Got it.
The volcano in the monster room, that's about 25,000. The bottom of Zerg's ship where it has like a 3 level, you hit the Z,
Yeah.
that's 100,000.
Cool.
Max score is 99999.
999. All right, we're going for it.
69.
Yeah.
All right, Lightyear. Over and out.
Going through the secret entrance.
Do you need a push?
Yeah. I got you.
My hands are so slippery.
It'll be a few minutes.
Yeah.
We'll just have you wait down at the very end.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So we are doing a classic ride, Space Mountain. Colleen's gone into the gift shop next door because you can't transfer to this one, but the wait time, because of this lovely weather we're having, this is the benefit of coming to Disney on a rainy day, is to get a 20-minute wait time right up there. So
roller coaster type ride in the dark that includes sharp turns, sudden drops, and stops. For a safe space like this, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart faster neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expectant mothers should not ride, and passengers who do not meet the minimum height requirements. And remember that passengers in wheelchairs must transfer.
we're cruising here. This is awesome. So far, first ride today, we went right on. And I don't know how long this normally is, but like, we're just going. So there was a 20-minute wait out there, but I think it's gonna be like 10 minutes. It's just going. So this is super cool. Very excited. I think I've always wanted to go on Space Mountain since I was a kid. So to be here and to do this, even wearing the mask, is super fun. All right, Space Mountain in the books. Some more space stuff there. Ride is kind of deceptive. You start off, you're like, okay, this is not so bad. And then as you get going, it's pretty intense. So definitely, they warned at the beginning, don't do this if you have back problems. And it was really funny because there's this one spot where you lurch, and the guy in front of me was like, oh, my back, and my back was the same thing. Super crazy. Gonna go find Colleen now. So I think she's in the gift shop. I think I'll go hang out here, have a martini. We're really awesome rides. Super adrenaline time.
Of course! Is that the right answer?
Yeah. I think you're a little wet though.
How was Space Mountain?
Space Mountain was great. It was a lot of fun. It was very spacey. We're in the shell. You're strapped in, safe and secure in the shell.
Now it cruises again.
So far, Gas Pass, we've gone on like right away. So definitely worth doing.
Definitely worth doing, and we've been able to do ones where I've been able to stay right in my wheelchair, so that's been extra helpful because my hands are soaking wet and cold right now, so I think it's just a little bit easier staying in my chair. It just everything is wet.
What? It's our shell. Stay in the ride.
Dancing and singing. That was fun. And then, I'm getting ahead of myself. The story began when Ariel fell head over things in love.
All right, so we're on the ride.
Alright, we're at Small World.
Small world, and it's just us. It's our own small world here.
So just so you know, it's a little boat that's adapted that you can roll right on, and then it ramps down, it slips down to the front, and then you just lock your brakes in. And they've got a little wedge to kind of put behind your chair, and then Nathan's right next to me. So we're in a little boat by ourselves, which is great.
It's our own boat because we're VIPs.
Or something.
Everyone at Disney's a VIP. Just FYI. You're special. Why? Because I like you. So what did you think of A Small World after all?
It's the best. It's such a classic. That's why I'm glad we went back on it. You need to experience it at least for your first time. It's cute.
Yeah? Are you gonna go get, I don't know. Is there a place to get like whiskey here?
I feel like you could get like a shot of something. For sure.
We'll get this
go
like...
to the Country Bear Jamboree. I bet that's entertaining.
Yeah.
I think I could use a shot of whiskey right now.
I know, it's cold. Let's find you a cookie.
I know, I need like a cookie and maybe a beverage.
A hot chocolate?
A hot chocolate.
All right, let's go find it.
All right.
Get the jungle ride in me. So what are we on? What is this? Jungle Cruise. So we're in Jungle Cruise land. Waiting, we got what, 10-minute wait? We got a 10-minute wait. We're gonna get on that boat there. Colleen gets to stay in her chair, which is fun. We've got the rain coming down, which makes it more jungle-esque. we asked for extra rain on our ride today. But no, so far today it's been super easy. I think I keep saying that. You're gonna get annoyed in this video, like we've waited 10 minutes for everything today. So, well, that's fine because we got here late. And so we're just kind of zooming around. And then I think after this, we keep talking about the cookie. We're gonna find the cookie after this. So stay tuned. Jungle Ride up next. You look wet.
Signed up for the extended dock tour. We have a dock, that's a pylon, that's a dock, that's a fire hazard, that's a dock, that's a trash can, dock, pylon. This is the confusing part, ready? There's dock, dork, dock, dork, dock, dork, dock, dock. Dude, very triggers, talk to that dog. Alright, that's it, you know. I'm just kidding. It's $39.99 though, I've already started your magic man. Some of our beautiful margarine flies. I know what you're thinking. I can't believe it's not butterflies. I know, me either. I heard a rumor about the margarine flies once. I don't want to spread it. You're welcome. Yeah, quite the page turner, actually. It's great. Up ahead here at our Boats and Baits rental shop, it looks like they are getting ready for a very Merry Fishmas and a Happy Canoe Year. Also a very Happy Veronica. Yeah, Happy Veronica. Look at this. Their turnover really is just fantastic. I know, they're tearing through those orders. We've got a shotgun shelf. That was a blast to hang. We're now going to turn down the Nile River. It was getting a little loud. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. If you don't believe me, well, then you're in disbelief. Yeah, right? I know. Right up ahead, that's the second most feared animal of the jungle. That is an African ball elephant. Very terrifying, I know, but not nearly as terrifying as the most feared animal of the jungle right over here. That's his mother-in-law. Yeah. And right behind you is your African cruise. They are called husky response. Don't worry though. Oh gosh, we're not turning. Everybody lean into the right. We don't want to be a water ride. Oh no, we're not going to make it. We're not going to make it. Oh good, we made it. Oh well, always next year, right? We're now moving into the Mekong River of Cambodia. Clear. We are just gonna go. We're in Dad to move his boat. You want to run over and see it?
Wow. Look at this, like all the people waiting. So that's it.
That's it.
We're done.
Peace out, Magic Kingdom.
Magic Kingdom.
It's been real.
No, it's just super wet. Colleen's also. It's like not really that fun. It was fun. It was fun, but it's like.
It was good to do to say we've done, and now we're gonna go check in at the hotel, strip all the clothes off,
Get some coffees.
coffee, a little snack or something,
Snacky
and
poo.
get ready for dinner in a bit.
Yep. So see you on the flip side. Oops.
So we are all checked into the hotel, and we actually have a room tour that we're going to show you. Great accessibility, couldn't be happier. I feel a little tired because we had a bit of some drama. So Nate actually went to go run to get his bib and all of his things for the race for Sunday. And while he was gone, I was unpacking and realized that like my front caster on my wheelchair was like moving. It was like really wobbly and loose. And I was actually too nervous to like move to get out of my chair. So I started texting Nate and So he hurried back, and I basically just transferred into the bed, and come to find out there was a bolt that was loose on my caster. So the staff here was great. Nate called down, asked to see if they had an Allen wrench set, if they could send that up, and probably within 10 minutes someone ran up and delivered that to us, and pleasantly surprised that the caster is all fixed.
Yeah, so I showed you the video earlier, so that's why you didn't get much video of the Run Disney stuff. A, because it was soaking wet and I was so done with being wet. And then Colleen, while I was on the bus, texted me like, hey, my caster's not working, I'm stuck. And I'm like, what? And I almost drove over there versus taking the bus, which was honestly a bit of a fiasco, because it was like waiting 20 minutes for the bus and then going over there. It took less time to get my bib and t-shirt than it took the transportation time. It was 20 minutes over, like waiting 20 minutes, 5-minute ride, then wait another 15 minutes, 5-minute ride. So it was like 45 minutes of waiting. So if you drive to Disney, just drive yourself over the ESPN World Zone. Don't take the bus transportation. It was just a pain. I wouldn't do that again.
But no tragedies. Everything was averted. So
yeah. And then on the way back, I realized the buses they were using are charter buses that don't have any wheelchair lifts. So then I had to call Run Disney and try to find out what is, are they going to have accessible transportation? And it turns out they are. They're going to be running regular Disney buses as well, but they don't know what routes those buses will be on. So Colleen has to go down and just ask.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be someone there. So you'll find out in a couple videos from now whether Colleen is sitting stuck at the Coronado Springs Hotel. And I just finished and I'm like, oh, well, I guess she's not here.
I said worst case, like if they can't radio to get an accessible bus to come pick me up at Coronado Springs, then I will just call for an accessible taxi. So that is my backup plan, but I plan to try to take some video of this. So fingers crossed everything goes smoothly for me and especially for Nate, who's actually running the half marathon.
Yeah, I'm less worried about me. But anyway, so we got a nice room tour for you, so we give you that right now. And then afterwards, we're going to head up to dinner at, what is it called, Toledo?
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 Yeah, it's like a Spanish...
You say Toledo, and I say Toledo.
It's a Spanish tapas restaurant right here in Gran Destino Tower. So
it's fine.
We are very excited not to have to go back out in the pouring rain. And we're going to go freshen up now. And maybe in a few minutes, I'll look a little less tired with some help of some makeup. So
I'm going to put some makeup on too. Let's go to dinner. Let's get out of here. What was it?
white chocolate, lemon, raspberry, chocolate, and coffee. Essentially go, in my view, left to right.
Or in my view, right to left.
Exactly.
Alright folks, it's official. Got the bib. Now we have to go to the Visa Center and get the t-shirts. Now why you just wouldn't put the t-shirts with the bib, I have no idea. Maybe some people don't want their t-shirts. Maybe some people are just like, the heck with the t-shirt. But I want the t-shirt, so we're gonna get that, and then we're gonna get out of here and get back to the hotel. A lot of people here.